whatever you do, do not uninstall your GB WhatsApp or your modded WhatsApp yet until you finish watching this video end to end. Do not uninstall it. If not, you're gonna lose all your chats, all your WhatsApp messages, and you're gonna lose all your files that you've received or sent via GB WhatsApp or other modded WhatsApp version. Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can still restore your chat when you get kicked out of WhatsApp for using GB WhatsApp, Yo WhatsApp, or any other modded version of WhatsApp. WhatsApp has been on a crackdown on people who have been using the cracked modded version or modified version of WhatsApp since last year. They've always been on this, but they are on a renewed, more intensive efforts now within 2024. Is an all-out battle. They are kicking everybody out of GB WhatsApp. They are doing it in trenches, but it's most likely going to get to you. Hundreds of thousands of people, if not millions, have already been kicked out of using GB WhatsApp and other modded versions of WhatsApp, and you will most likely not escape the wrath of WhatsApp. So what do you do once you start getting the pop-up messages telling you that it's time for you to switch to the original version of WhatsApp? You may no longer be able to use WhatsApp if you do not switch. What I recommend is don't take it as a joke. Don't take it as a joke. They are really gonna kick you off WhatsApp, and they will do it when you don't expect. They're going to warn you for a couple of days, and then they're just going to do it suddenly. So it's best for you to, once you get the message, back up your chats. You go to the settings of your WhatsApp, go to your chats backups, and create a backup. At whatever time it is of the day, you create a backup, and then you do the rest of the steps I'm going to show you in this video, so that you can be able to successfully switch from your modified version of WhatsApp to the original version of WhatsApp without losing your chats and your data. Because remember, WhatsApp does not back up your data on the cloud. If you're using modified version of WhatsApp, you can't even use their backing up of chats on Google Drive that is provided for users of the original version of WhatsApp. So this is an opportunity for you to do it now before you get kicked out. I know what I'm saying. A lot of people have been crying, oh, I lost my chat, oh, I just lost every chat. Please resend me your last messages. Don't fall a victim of this. So what do you do once you get the message? Switch immediately, because you will not escape. You might never escape the wrath of WhatsApp, and they're going to come when you least expected it. Remember that WhatsApp only backs up messages by 2 a.m. in the morning, every morning, like clockwork. So sometimes if you're using modified version of WhatsApp, you might not even be getting that 2 a.m. backup on a daily basis. So what you have to do is you have to, immediately you get that message, back up your message, click that backup button. When you do that, it's going to take a while. It's going to back up your chat, whether it's at 2 a.m. you're doing this, or at whatever time you do this, it's going to back up your chat to your local drive. So once that is done, the next thing you have to do is, if you haven't downloaded the official WhatsApp yet, you just move over to Play Store and search for it, WhatsApp. So WhatsApp Messenger, and then you go ahead and install it. And after installing it, you open up the app. Now when you open the app, don't do anything, right? So this video is assuming that you were not using, because some people actually use both GB WhatsApp and the normal WhatsApp. So if you were using both the GB WhatsApp and the normal WhatsApp, then you know you have to back up your messages. You have to back up the messages you have on the other WhatsApp. Just save it somewhere, because you only be able to continue this step by having a fresh WhatsApp installation. So number one thing you have to do then will be to go to your file manager, go to your main storage, go to Android Media, and inside your WhatsApp folder you probably copy this and save it somewhere. That's if you were using the official WhatsApp previously. But if you haven't been using the official WhatsApp at all, so you are okay. The main thing you have to do then, after you have installed After you have installed WhatsApp, all right, you open it. So once you open it, if you go over to your file manager, you're going to realize inside your main storage or internal storage, go to your Android folder, then you're going to see media. Then when you scroll down, you're going to see com.whatsapp. So at this stage, what you need to do is to delete the com.whatsapp folder that you're seeing there, because that folder currently does not have anything because you have not set up the official WhatsApp yet. What you do is delete it. Then the com.gb WhatsApp, or maybe com.yo WhatsApp, depending on which one you're using, but in this example, the com.gb WhatsApp folder up there, you are going to have to rename it to com.whatsapp. Remember that it's all small letters, all right, no capital letters. So you're going to rename it to com.whatsapp. First, you delete the com.whatsapp so that the application is no longer going to be sending data there, and also when you try renaming the GB WhatsApp folder, it will not see it as a duplicate folder. So you delete the com.whatsapp, then rename the com.gb WhatsApp to com.whatsapp, so that the WhatsApp application that you have installed and opened previously will now start sending data and recognizing that the folder where it should be operating from is the com.whatsapp, which was previously com.gb WhatsApp. Once you do this, you go over back to your WhatsApp, open it, and then enter your phone number and go to the next, do the OTP, the normal setup that you normally do in setting up. Then it will tell you that it has discovered a backup, so you go ahead and restore the backup, all right, and it will restore everything, including your chats history, your stickers, your images that were sent or received, and everything will be restored into your official WhatsApp. Now, there are some situations where you might do this the first time, it will not work, all right. It will start as if your WhatsApp is starting all afresh. Okay, in that situation, what you should do is rename the com.whatsapp folder. Remember, rename the com.whatsapp folder again, and then uninstall the WhatsApp, right? Rename it to any other thing. Then once you uninstall and reinstall WhatsApp again, rename that previous com.whatsapp folder back to com.whatsapp. Okay, after you have opened the application, that is. So the reason why you're doing this is so that you don't lose your data. But remember, it is always advisable to back up your WhatsApp data, the whole com.whatsapp, back it up somewhere. If you have a laptop, you can back it up on your WhatsApp or on your SD card or a flash drive before you start any of this, so that at any point, if you make any mistake and you lose the com.whatsapp folder and the details in it, you can simply bring back the backup you made, rename it to com.whatsapp again, and do the installation process for WhatsApp again. So this is how you get to do this, and this should work for you. If you have any questions, make sure you hit me up on the comment section below, and I'll be here to answer your questions. And if this helps you, make sure you hit the thumbs up button and like this video, and also subscribe. I hope that this really helps you out a lot. I hope that you actually listen to this and follow the instructions. And if you have any questions or comments, please let me know in the comment section below. Do not forget to like this video so that YouTube can recommend it to much more people, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. I wish you all the best, and if you find any other solutions or any other recommendations, please do well to share with us. We'll all be glad to learn from you. My name is Anatu Tech. Make sure you follow on Instagram, TikTok, and other social media at Anatu Tech, and also on Twitter at Anatu Tech. I really appreciate that, and make sure you support the channel however you can. Make sure you don't lose your data. Share this video to your friends and well-wishers. Bookmark this page so that you can also share it with other people who may have similar issues and reach out to you. Thank you for watching, and thank you for staying tuned. See you in the next video. Cheers for now.